What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2016 Jeep Cherokee Overland in deep cherry red crystal pearl, powered by the 3.2 liter Pentastar V6 engine underneath the hood. This is a fully loaded SUV that is fun to drive, comfortable, great in the wintertime, and very attractive. Let's go check it out. Moving inside here, you'll see that you have two-tone interior colors, storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding for your arm. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows are automatic. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. You have your automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it with dimmer knobs there and a button to open up the power liftgate. The leather wrapped steering wheel feels great in your hands. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support, leather seating throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and you have adjustable seatbelt height, so depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust those so you're most comfortable. Panoramic sunroof up above, which you can open up and close, lets in lots of fresh air and lots of sunlight. Nice leather padding here in the middle for arms to rest on, two big cup holders in the middle, electronic parking brake, automatic transmission, Selec-Terrain System, hill descent assist, four-wheel drive low, SD card port, USB and auxiliary ports, dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Cherokee to adjust your climate control for you. This has the auto stop start system as well, active ParkSense, LaneSense and forward collision warning, large touchscreen Uconnect system with Bluetooth and voice recognition, auto dimming rear view mirror, reading lamps up above, sunglasses holder, and the LCD information center gives you tons of useful information. This is the proximity key fob, and if you press this button twice, the power liftgate will open up right before your eyes. Beautiful. And there's tons of space in the back here for many different things. So load up some luggage or some groceries. Under this mat here is a handle. Just lift this up and the spare tire is right there for you. There's some hooks there so you can hang up some bags, and you have a cover which you can pull like this and it locks into place, and anything underneath the cover will be out of sight and no one will be able to see it. And you can put that back whenever you want, and there's convenience lighting. On the front here, you'll see these dots. These are the front ParkSense parking sensors. The system will let you know if you're getting close to an object in front of you, and on the back here, you'll see more of those dots. Yes, this does have ParkSense parking sensors on the back, and active ParkSense uses those too. Moving to the back here, the back seat door panels have storage areas, leather padding for arms and power window switches, pocket on the back of the passenger seat as well as the driver's seat, directional air vents in the middle here which you can easily adjust, and you can open and close that, and down here is a 115 volt AC power outlet so your passengers can plug in their computers while on the go. Fold down armrest here in the middle with two big cup holders. Feel free to use those whenever you want. Adjustable headrests in the back seats too. This is a 60/40 rear split setup, and the seats fold down very easily, and there's hooks on the backs of the seats so you can set up a child seat if you want to, and you can easily flip this back up like that and it locks back into place. Interior lighting up here. These are also reading lamps, so push it with your hand and they'll turn on. Tons of footroom and plenty of headroom in the back seat area. Move to the front here, you can unlock all the doors just by putting your hand around the passenger door handle. As long as it has the key fob just like that, you always press that black button to lock up the Cherokee when you're done with it. You do that with the driver's side door handle as well. Passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support too. There's a pocket on the side of the middle console here for some things. Here is a lockable glove box, which is very large. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. And there's high quality materials throughout this Overland which you'll fall in love with. And the backup camera appears nice and big on the touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you, and there's lines to guide you. And this Jeep also has heated and ventilated seats up front and GPS navigation. You can put in an address and I'll show you how to get to where you want to go. And this Jeep only has 13,882 kilometers on it. Not too shabby, so come on down to Crosstown Dodge today and see if this is going to be your next luxurious SUV. So don't wait too much longer. It's the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Overland in deep cherry red crystal pearl paint, powered by the 3.2-liter Pentastar V6 engine under the hood. This Jeep has so much to offer you with technology, has great comfort, it's very unique, and will turn heads. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.